Sneezing is your body's natural way of clearing out irritants from your nose. When something like dust, pollen, pepper, or even a virus enters your nose, it irritates the sensitive lining of your nasal passages. Sneezing helps protecting your lungs. The irritation stimulates the trigeminal nerve, which sends a signal to your brain's sneezing center, located in the lower brainstem. The brain coordinates a reflex involving muscles in your chest, diaphragm, throat, and face. Your body takes a deep breath, closes your vocal cords, and builds pressure in your lungs. Then, the pressure is suddenly released, forcing air and the irritants out of your nose and mouth at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour.